Good day, everyone. My name is Video of Video TV, and I want to show you how you can grow your TikTok followers. I was able to grow my followers to 1,700 in the space of 2 weeks, or even lesser than that. So all I just want to do is show you how you can go about that. But I've not been active on it. That's why my followers are coming down. So I want to show you how you can also go about that to increase your followers and your likes on TikTok. So all you just need to do is go to live. Then you see people doing live. Let me pause it. So when you join people's live like this, these people, they have just 20 people in here. So I won't recommend you staying here. So you keep on swiping. Okay, this lady, we have about 97. You can choose to stay there to farm a little people. But let me go to where I actually want for this class. So people like this now, you can see I'm following now. So I think she was one of the people I did it with back then. So when you come to this kind of comment section, all you just need to do, she still have about 101 people. Like this is what she does in particular. She help people grow their TikTok followers. So when you come to this page like this, it might not be her page. You can find other people's page as well. So when you come to people's page like this, all you just need to do is just press 444. You'll see what people are doing in the comment section. If it is 444, I think there was a time they used mute. Moot, M-O-O-T. So there was a time they used mute then. So as you're doing it, as you're doing it this way, you can also come here. You can also come here. Then you follow all these people. So when you follow anybody, let me follow this guy now. You see, I followed him. Then you tell him follow back.
Let's go and rush them.
You tell him follow back. So that's the same way you can do it for every one of them here. So when you are done doing it for them here, as you are following them, make sure you tag them in the comment section that they should follow you back. So if the host is actually seeing your activeness in the comment section, then the host can actually just gift you a shout out by tagging you. She will mention you. She will mention you. And also she will tag your username to the page. On her screen, so that people can follow you. So you can still scroll to other people's page. So I think Pella is live as well. You can also come here to farm people as well. When you come here like this, all you just need to do is follow these people. Follow them.
Guys, let's go, everybody. Keep on tapping, keep on
when you follow them, you tell them follow back.
Comments, I need your help. Everybody, let's go. Keep on tapping, keep on
So that is how you do it. You come to people's comment section, you follow them, and press for. You tell them to follow back. You can also just do 444. Nobody will kick you out for doing 444. Okay, this one's are playing silent game. Wow, that's cool. So you just need to do follow back, guys. So that is practically what. Okay, sorry, I got muted. So you can just continue like that. So to grow your followers as well, you can also follow this page. You can follow this page. Share people share people boost their. Not that you pay her, you just come to the comment section. If you want to gift her, you can gift her. You come to her comment section anytime she's doing live, then you gain followers the same way I showed it earlier. So I will be showing you how to gain likes. Yeah, I'll show you how to gain likes now. So sit tight as we go on that. So this is how to boost your like as well without paying anybody. So all you just need to do is this kind of message now. You send it to people. I think this person followed me before, but the person later unfollowed me. I don't know. I think I unfollowed him back as well. So all you just need to do is send message to people that followed you back already. Just tell them hello, thank you for follow, blah blah blah. Please, I would like you to like 5 recent videos. You understand? Or if there's a particular video you pinned to your page, you can just tell them to like it. So don't follow this one that said I should like 20 videos because it will be seen as spamming. You don't spam like on TikTok, so they won't flag your account. So just five to I think 5 is okay. Max 10 sharp, but 5 is the best. So just tell them to like your 5 recent posts on your page. So when they do that, you promise them to reciprocate it too. So when they do that for you, you reciprocate it as well. So you send it to everybody that is following you back. Do you understand? Every person that has followed your account. So you reciprocate it. So if you are consistent about this, I'm sure within 2 weeks as well, you'll be able to gain more followers. Because back then, while I was doing it, I was not even consistent about it. I only do it maybe in the night when I get back from work. So if you can do this in the morning, in the night, in the morning, in the night, morning, afternoon, night, depends on your own free time. I'm sure you gain more than 10,000 followers in no time. So that is it. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to follow this channel and also turn on your notification button. And also drop a comment if this video actually helps you. Drop a comment in the comment section. Love you all.